Hello friends, if your Bet365 app is not working and you want to know how to fix this issue, so keep watching this video. Today we are going to fix why Bet365 app is not working in your phone. So let's get started. There may be several reasons behind this issue. Today, we are going to provide you all solution for iPhone users. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is fully working and you are getting good internet speed. Because sometimes due to internet issue, apps not working properly. If you still facing same issue, then try solution 2. Update your app. Make sure you are running latest version of your Bet365 app. If you still facing same issue, then restart your phone. Sometimes restarting devices automatic resolve these types issues. Hopefully this will fix the issue. If you still facing same issue, this mean app server is down or the app is in under maintenance. In that case, wait for couple of hours and then try again. By using these methods you can fix your app not working problem. Hope you like this video. If yes, then hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.